Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 203 of the Feathered Quest. Today's bird of the day is the Nashville Warbler. Despite the name, Nashville Warblers aren't locals. They passed through Tennessee on migration, but the species got its name from Alexander Wilson spotting one there in 1811. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, guys, thanks for coming along with me today. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?